morning. Hope you understand yesterday's questions that were of 3.5 exercise word problem question 1 to 3. Now 2 questions are left that we will solve today. Let us start. Exercise 3.5 question number 4. And first we will see what is the question. And the question is, the flight attendant flew 3068 miles on her first trip. And then she flew 2575 miles on her second trip. What was the total distance she flew in these two trips? Before solution, we will again read the statement to understand what is given and what we have to find. Yes, as yesterday I was telling you that to solve word problem, first we read the problems, understand what it is asking and what is given, and then you will solve your questions. Okay, writing only important information. Let's see what the problem is saying. The flight attendant flew means one girl is there. Okay, they are flew away in flights. First flight she flew away 3068 miles, and on second trip she flew away 2575 miles away. Now you will find the total distance she flew in both the trips. Okay, to find total, what we will do? We will add the numbers. So let us start. Number of miles she flew on first trip. Only we will write important information and we will make easy statement so that we can understand. On first trip she flew away 3068 miles. Okay. Now in second she flew on second trip, that is 2575 miles. Now what you have to find? Total distance she flew. Total distance she flew. You will add both these numbers starting from ones place. 8 plus 5 13, 1 carry Now you will add 6 plus 7 and 1 carry. That will be 14. Again 1 carry will go in next place. 1 plus 0 plus 5. 6. 3 plus 2. 5. Here unit is miles. So you will write unit also with the number. Now you will write answer. Seafleet 5,643 miles in both the trips. Again I will tell you. You will make easy statement. She flew means one attendant. She is going in flights. In first trip she flew away 3,068 miles. She flew on second trip. The number is 2,575 miles. And total distance she flew. You will add the numbers and then you will write answer in form of sentence. And you will write unit. Without unit, you will not get full marks. So it is very necessary to write units. Let's take next question. And the next question is question number 5 or E part. What is in your book, you will write that. Here I am 5 question in my book. So what is the statement? First we will see 4,830 fans came to watch the cricket on Sunday. On Sunday or Saturday? It is Saturday here. And 4,070 fans came to the stadium on Sunday. What was the total number of fans that came on both the days? Let us again read statement to find its solution. 4,830 fans came to watch the cricket on Saturday. 2 days for cricket, Saturday and Sunday. First day means Saturday. 4,830 fans means people who like cricket, they came to watch. And 4,070 fans came to the stadium on Sunday means next day. What was the total number of fans? Now you see the word total. Number of fans that came on both the days means you will find total people, total person came to see the cricket match. Okay? Let us start. Number of fans came on Saturday. That is 4,830. Now next, number of fans come on Sunday. Number of fans came on Sunday. That are 4,070. Now total fans, total number of fans came on both days, which is equal to, you will add and find the number, then you will get total fans of both days. Starting from ones place, you will add 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 7, 10. 1 will go carry next place. Now 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, no carry. So you will add 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So you will write answer 8,900 fans came on both the days. I will tell you again. 2 days cricket match was there. First day Saturday, fan means people to which like, okay, 4,830 people. And second day means Sunday, number of fans 4,070. You will write important information, and then what you have to find, you will write that total number of fans. Total number of fans came on both days. You will not write what was. You will leave this in answer. You will not write. Many students, they write what is, what are, how many. You will not write these words in solution, because we take these words in question and we are finding solution. So you will not write these words. We will start writing for answer from the word the total number of. Okay, we will write total number of fans come on both days, and for finding total you will plus the numbers, you will add the numbers, and in answer you will write answer in form of sentence. Hope you have understood exercise 3.5 all word problem. Okay, you will solve in fair notebook and do practice at home. Have a nice day. That's for today. Bye bye.